Keeping a refrigerator in the garage is possible, but there are a few things to consider before making this decision. Before making a purchase, assess the temperature and humidity levels of the garage. Refrigerators are designed to work best in temperatures between 35 and 55 degrees. High humidity levels will shorten the life of the unit. Make sure the area is adequate to hold the unit, as well as create about 6 inches of space on all sides. Appliances need to be able to ventilate in order to dissipate heat. Insulating the walls may be a necessity to keep the refrigerator cold and avoid high electricity bills. If the garage is detached, its temperature can fluctuate drastically, so it may be necessary to install a temperature controller to maintain stable temperatures. If the garage is attached, keep in mind that when the door is open, the temperature will be faster to rise. Keep the unit away from direct sunlight, as this can increase the temperature inside. Check to see if the area is protected from critters as well, as they can damage the wiring. If possible, consider a unit that has a standby power system, in case the power goes out and the contents of the unit need to be kept cold. Secure the refrigerator in its place to prevent it from sliding or tipping over in the event of an earthquake. It is a good idea to have a proper power surge protector with a breaker to protect the unit. Also, use a grounded extension cord to prevent it from overheating. The garage may not be the ideal place for a refrigerator, but if the necessary conditions are met, it can be done safely. Make sure to use a heavy-duty cord for outdoor use, as regular extension cords are not designed for this kind of environment. All wires must be securely fastened, and it is also a good idea to use cable ties to effectively bundle them. The model should have sealed doors, as this will help keeping the temperature at a steady level. Protect the unit with a waterproof cover. This will prevent the accumulation of dust and dirt on the unit. Regularly check the unit for wear and tear, as well as signs of visible damage on the exterior. Properly maintain and clean the refrigerator on a regular basis. Pay attention to the gaskets and the doors, as they can dry out faster with a lack of humidity present in a garage. Make sure to disconnect the unit before doing any kind of maintenance work. Use a vacuum cleaner to clear dust and debris on the fan and coils.